How to fix Instagram following not showing on Android or iOS phone. It's easy. First, open Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Just search for Instagram and here you will find updates. Click on it, and if that doesn't fix your problem, go to settings, this one for Android phones, and then go to apps and apps again, and here type Instagram, click on it. Now click for stop and go to storage clear cache, and then if you have an iPhone, just restart your phone and try again, and that's it. If that doesn't fix your problem, just uninstall your Instagram and install it again, and don't forget to like and to subscribe, and see you in the next video.